Move, Karis.
They're gonna be trying to fix something that
Hey, now you good. Look at that. What's her problem? She can get by.
No, they know they can get past it.
That's right. You can get by there.
That's right. This is ridiculous. They can get past it.
Yeah, they can get by there. They got no reason to do all that blowing. Don't make any sense. Look at that. They got a clear path. You look there. They can go over there to the side, and they can zoom by. They can get by. She been blowing for like 10 minutes. Hey, sorry, get back in the house, boy. Get back in the house. Yeah, that don't make no sense. They can get by. No, that make no sense, man. No, but they can get by though. See, she got plenty of room to get by. She got room to get by. Yeah, so that's why I got her corner. I'm corners right now. Don't make any sense.
To do that wrong. I'm gonna knock the doors and help her to get out. But she keep doing it.
But they can get by though.
I don't know what's wrong with her.
No, you can get by. You can get by. Yeah. Matter of fact, she can get by.
No, she's saying that she can't do that because she'll be written out if she puts her balls by the tree. She's not trying to obey the rule. Oh, is that you here?
No, she got room though. She still have room. Oh, look at that. She didn't even move. She didn't even move.
Yeah, they could have done that the whole time.
She didn't even move though. She didn't even move. She didn't even move just then. She didn't even move. She didn't even move just then.
Make sure you get how she passing them branches.
Oh yeah, she didn't even move just then. The car moved, but she didn't even move.
She didn't have no sense. That's ridiculous.
Nah.
That was ridiculous. That's why I said
the first honk she did, I get out from the house and I told her to stop it. I will go and knock the doors and find out whose car is it. And she could have got past.
Yeah, but she didn't even move though. Just then when she went by, she didn't even swerve. She just drove straight.
You recorded that she could have got past them limbs. That was ridiculous.